Hey everyone! Welcome back to our language learning adventure here on Dreamy Luke. Today, we are diving into a fantastic topic: false cognates in Spanish. You know, those sneaky words that look like something you know in English but actually mean something completely different in Spanish. Get ready to uncover some surprising twists and turns in our linguistic journey together. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Embarazada. This looks like embarrassed in English, but it actually means pregnant in Spanish. For example, ella está embarazada. She is pregnant. Realizar. It resembles to realize in English, but it means to accomplish in Spanish. For example, acabo de realizar una tarea. I just accomplished a task. Asistir. Similar to assist in English, but it means to attend in Spanish. He asistido a una reunión. I attended an appointment. Constipado. Looks like constipated in English, but it means to have a cold or to be congested in Spanish. For example, estoy constipado. I have a cold. Éxito appears to be related to exit in English, but it means success in Spanish. For example, ella tiene mucho éxito. She has a lot of success. Ropa looks like rope in English, but it means clothing in Spanish. Yo tengo mucha ropa. I have a lot of clothing. Sopa. Similar to soap in English, but it means soup in Spanish. Me gusta la sopa. I love soup. Pie. It resembles to pie in English, but it means food in Spanish. Me duele el pie. My foot hurts. Bizarro. Looks like bizarre in English, but it means brave in Spanish. Él es bizarro. He is brave. Molestar. Resembles to molest in English, but it means to bother or to annoy in Spanish. Hopefully you learned all of these usual mistakes English speakers make when speaking Spanish. See you soon, and thanks for watching.